Looking for the best AI voice software? Today, we're comparing the three big names: Resemble AI, Elevenlabs, and Minimax. Let's break down which one actually deserves your money. Elevenlabs is the current king of voice quality. Their voices score the highest in tests, sounding super realistic with natural emotion. They support over 30 languages and have tons of voices to pick from. The problem? It gets expensive fast. Plans start at $5 a month, but you burn through credits quickly. Their business plan costs over $1,000 monthly, great for professionals making audiobooks or premium content, but painful if you're on a budget. Resemble AI takes a different path. Their focus is on security and customization. You can clone voices with just 10 seconds of audio, and they offer deepfake detection to protect your content. This is huge for brands worried about voice theft. They also let you run everything on your own servers for privacy. Starting at $30 monthly, they're cheaper than Elevenlabs for similar use. The downside is that the voice quality isn't quite as natural. It's good, just not the best. If you need security features or custom voice design, Resemble is your pick. Minimax is the new kid shaking things up. Their prices are way lower, like 85% cheaper than competitors. $5 gets you serious usage. They support 40 languages and over 300 voices. Recent tests show their voice quality actually beat Elevenlabs in some cases, especially for cloning. They can handle huge text blocks without cutting off, which is perfect for audiobooks. The catch? They're newer, so fewer advanced features. But for most people making videos, podcasts, or video content, Minimax gives you amazing value. So, which wins? If money is no issue and you want the absolute best quality, go Elevenlabs. Need security and customization? Resemble AI. But for everyone else who wants great quality without breaking the bank, Minimax is the clear winner in 2025. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.